very simple method for huge amounts of money. Come on in and let me show you how. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to generate $400 per day with this new app. What's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill, or experience, and you can even start making money with this right now, right after finishing this video. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, the following video will be a really in-depth tutorial, so make sure to pay close attention and don't skip any parts to make sure to maximize your profit. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, because that way you're not only helping me, but you're making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every month. And now let's jump into the first step.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
And for the first step, I want you guys to connect to Unbounce.com. And Unbounce is gonna help us to make money today, because this website is pretty popular, pretty profitable for our needs, and this is basically a page where you can construct your custom landing page. As you can see, create custom landing pages with Unbounce, no coding required. Get the highest converting campaigns possible with Unbounce Conversion Intelligence and our latest AI feature, Smart Traffic. So these guys really mean business. They've got everything that is needed for you to get that your landing page of yours and make your website stunning. As you can see, it is the #1 landing page platform for 15,000 brands, such as Helix, Zola, Within, Later, 50 and 50, and Campaign Monitor. This is a very great website, guys. As you can see, the looks on it is really great, and it's really simple as well. As you can see, you can build any page on your own, create the exact page you want, and you can continually grow your ROI. So these pages, you can see them here. I will show you really fast how they look. If you click on the Learn section over here and you click on Landing Page Examples, you can see some of the examples here, and you've got plenty of categories on the left-hand side here, so you can choose whichever one you want. I chose a few, so I just want to show you how they look. This is the first template that I want to show you. Now you can see this is for some superfood collection. It's pretty nice. They put much effort into this. And this is the second, so you can see how this actually looks like. And what we are gonna do on this website is we are gonna be affiliating for them. So I want you to go back to homepage and then scroll all the way down, and then you're gonna click on Partner Program. And here you can see that they've got pretty generous commission, so you can earn 20% recurring revenue for every referral. So basically that means for every person you get here and they buy the subscription for their landing page, you're gonna earn 20%. So right now, I'm gonna show you how you can get this started. It's very simple. You will get your referral link out there, sign up, and then you will get rewarded. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to use. I will show you the steps. All you have to do now is click on Sign Up Now. And that will open this simple application form where you would just have to enter your first name, your last name, your email, your company name, but that's optional, and the basic information about how you are gonna make those persons convert to this page, and some simple information about your agency and such, and you're gonna click on the next button over here. Just make sure to enter a valid email, because they're gonna send you a confirmation link and you're gonna need to click on that in order to get your account approved here. And now, once you do everything correctly, this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. And as you can see, Unbounce is reviewing your application. So now you just have to wait for a few hours and they will approve your application if you did everything correctly. And then you will find your referral, your special referral link, which you can use to make people come here and buy their products. And guys, if they buy those products, look at how much they cost. So this is their pricing plan. So there is one for $80, one for $120, $200, and $300. As you can see, they've got some features over here which you can promote on the website, which I'm going to show you. But I want to show you how much you can actually earn on this website. So if someone buys this $200 per month, well, you're gonna earn 20% out of that, and that's $40, guys. $40 per each person monthly. So imagine you only get like 10 persons to buy this landing page of theirs. That's $400 monthly for you, and you won't be doing nothing. You are doing nothing, and you're gonna get $400, guys. I don't know about you, but $400 without me doing anything, how about I say yes? That's a sweet deal. That's a perfect deal for that matter. And now I'm going to show you a strategy which you can use to get those conversions, to get those commissions, to get as many people possible to come here and buy these landing pages. So for the next step, I want you guys to connect to Quora.com. And you all know Quora. Quora is the place where certain people gather and ask some questions, and other people connect and answer those questions. So it's a pretty nice hub. It generates a lot of traffic daily, so you can use this to your own advantage and get some money with it. As you can see, I typed in the search bar how to create a landing page, because that's the sweet question, that's the sweet keyword we need to use to get people who are looking for these landing pages to buy subscriptions on Unbounce. And as you can see, there are plenty of people who are looking for that question. So all you have to do is visit all of these and just type in something like, here's a great website on which you can make a great looking landing page. So go out there and check their prices, and you're going to leave your affiliate link in the comment as well. So whenever someone clicks on that and buys that subscription, you're going to earn money. And just look at how many these questions are. This is a great traffic source for that matter. Thousands upon thousands of people are gathering here, and all you need is 10 people, guys. If you want to earn more money, you can get them as well, but 10 people is enough for us for now. That's whole passive income. That's completely passive income. We all love that. $400 for simple clicking. You can earn that while you sleep. Of course, you can even go to 20 people, and you have the traffic for that here, and it should be pretty easy to get 20 as well. And now that's $800, and that's some perfect money, guys. Perfect money. You won't have to do anything other than invest some of your spare time when pasting these affiliate links in these questions, and you're gonna generate money. How sweet can that be? And I just want to show you on SimilarWeb how the statistics are for Quora.com. And as you can see, 500 million people come on this website every month. 500 million people, guys. That's crazy amount of money. That's crazy amount of customers who are gonna click on your affiliate link and choose that subscription plan. And you don't need 5 million to convert. You only need 10 or 20 people, guys. It's so easy to get 10 people over there. So easy. For example, if you just find 100 people and 100 people go on that website and only 10 of those decide to buy, that's $400 for you completely passively, completely free. You don't have to invest a penny of yours, and you're gonna be getting $400 monthly. Monthly, guys, $400 monthly. That's $4,800 and $800 yearly for doing nothing. Nothing, guys. So I suggest that you go out there, take some action, use these instructions that I showed you, and go and earn yourself some money, because you have to use your spare time wisely, guys. You have to start making money online because everyone else is doing so. And if you don't start now, you're going to be left out. And I don't want that to happen to you guys. So that's exactly why I'm sharing these strategies with you every day, so you can go out there as well and make yourself some money. And this Unbounce website is perfect for it because they really mean business. They make so good landing pages, as you can see, pretty good looking. They even got 14-day trials, so it is easier even to sell those. Just go out there and use these instructions and go and take some action. Go take some action and you will be happy in the future. Trust me, guys, I use this method a lot and I paid a lot of money, but you don't have to do anything of that sort. Go out there, take some action, and I will see you next time.